She's gonna make snickerdoodles. Let's get started. Cup of shortening. Go ahead and add it into the bowl. And we're going to do
now half a cup of butter. Now we're going to add to the mixture a cup and a half of sugar.
Okay, we're going to cream this sugar and butter and shortening together. Okay, Mallory, finish it up here.
Add in 2 eggs. Okay, now we're going to stir. Now we're going to do 1/4 teaspoon of salt. One teaspoon of baking soda.
There. Okay, that's good.
2 teaspoons of cream of tartar.
Okay.
2 teaspoons of vanilla. Now we're going to stir all of this up. Now we're going to heat the oven to 400.
I've already made goulash tonight. Check it out on our channel.
Now we're going to put in 2 3/4 cup of flour. Now we're going to mix it all together. Remember to scrape the sides.
Mallory, this is her favorite cookies, and she helps me all the time. But this time she's pretty much done it on her own.
Okay, we got it all stirred. Now let's make the cinnamon and sugar.
Okay, we're going to make the cinnamon sugar that we're going to roll them in. 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And right over the top.
Now mix it all together. Now you're going to want a ball about this big and roll it all in the cinnamon. And place it on your cookie pan.
Alright.
Okay, the oven's at 400. We're about to put the cookies in.
For 9 minutes. We're done.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe and dig into these delicious cookies. It's a fat one.
That one's too fat.
It's all stirred. Now try. Okay.
Ready to go in there? Yeah, put that in there. Let's do it with a knife.
Okay.
Kind of look fat, but they go down.